Welcome to Dutchwell Digitals, a channel where you learn how to build a stable online business. I'm happy to have to share my knowledge on social media marketing, affiliate marketing, online business updates, financial updates, tips, tricks, and much more. If you want scamming videos, you can delete this one. But if you want something genuine and legit, then watch this video till the end. I don't promise a quick rich scheme to learn and grow gradually. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, share, and turn on your notification bell. Someone else wants this kind of information. Please try and share it. Thank you. Let's start. What I'm discussing today is Expertnaire, a digital platform where you will get products, digital products, and promote. So what they do basically here is to give you products where you can sell. You can either work with them as a vendor or you work with them as an affiliate. To work with them as a vendor, you need to be a little bit of a tech savvy, or you can get someone to do it for you, to create a digital product and upload on their platform. But today I'm not talking about becoming a vendor or working as a vendor with Expertnaire. Today I want to discuss working with Expertnaire as an affiliate. Of course, you know what affiliate marketing is: getting someone else's product, selling it for them, and when anyone buys, you see a buyer, the person buys, you will get a commission. So that's what I'm talking about today. So like I said, I'm not talking about vendor, how to become a vendor. If you know how to create products, online products, you can create it and upload it on their platform. You understand? Then other people can get the product and sell, promote for you. If you still make money anyway, either ways you still make money. But today I'm talking about becoming their affiliate. So the first thing you have to understand is that Expertnaire affiliate program is not free. You understand? I know that is a little bit of a kind of setback, especially when you don't have money to register as an affiliate. Anyway, I'll say discuss other free affiliate program that you can join this platform. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel for upcoming valuable and helpful. So here, what you do as an affiliate, you sign up to register as an affiliate, and when you sign up, when you click this sign up button here, it will direct you to their affiliate form page. You understand? Where you put in your details, your name, your email, you understand, and then you create password. But once you click the register button, they'll ask you to pay money. So this is the link that you click, the short affiliate sign up form. Once you click this link here, it will take you to their form page, affiliate form page, where you put in your details. Not too much details, but what I'm stressing is that before that registration becomes successful, you'll be prompted to pay a sum of 10,000 naira. You see, so this is the form page where you will put in your full name, your phone number, your email, and then you create your own password where you'll be using to log into this platform. Then you must agree on the terms and conditions. So you can't check this box unless you have read the terms and conditions. In fact, the system will not allow you to check the box. It will redirect you to the terms and conditions, which you must go click it and read it. So you must click this terms and condition first before you check the box, the terms and condition box that you have agreed to their terms and condition. So after clicking the terms and condition link, you go through it. Of course, it's necessary to go through the link and through the terms and conditions to know what you are going in for. What is it all about? So you need to read through the terms and conditions. It's necessary anyway. So once you check in, you now come to this page where you have to pay a sum of 10,000 naira. So like I said before, that the platform is not free. There are other platforms that are free, which I will share in my upcoming videos. But how will you know that I'm sharing it? Is when you subscribe. You don't pay. Subscription is free. You don't pay money for subscription. Just subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that YouTube will notify you when I upload upcoming videos. Then you can pay with your OPay or USSD or bank transfer, whichever one you is preferable for you. You can pay. Then once you are verified and you finish your registration formalities, what you have to do is that you select a product of your choice to promote in the platform. You will see different products, but the products are a bit expensive. Not so much expensive anyway, like 20,000, 30,000, 25,000, depending on the products, the digital product that you want to promote. There are so many of them. So you pick any product of your choice and you promote. You can do it organically. You can pay for adverts, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or TikTok ads. You understand? You can promote it by running adverts. Yes, when you run adverts, you at least you have more people to 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 look at your product. Guys, I'm talking about increasing your visibility, the visibility of the products now. That's when you run the advert. That's when you promote it. So this is the website that you can go in. You can visit yourself and then sign up as an affiliate if you are ready to sign up as an affiliate. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you've actually watched to this end, please share, like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so that when I publish valuable content like this, YouTube will notify you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Remember, take action. A million-mile journey begins with a step. Bye for now.